Hello, I'd like to take you on a short video tour of a project recently completed by Coastal Custom Wine Cellars. The project's located in Orange County, Yorba, California actually. We partnered with Arctic Metalworks, who provided the refrigeration components for the enclosure, and we also partnered with David Lake & Construction, who provided all the general contractor services. So as you can see, we had a small niche to work with in this home. It's about roughly 8 foot wide, I believe 8 foot tall, 30 inches deep. I'll take you through a series of photographs that will show you the progress as we move forward towards completion. And I'll also take you on a tour of our three-dimensional design package that's offered to everyone who visits Coastal. As you can see, we had a niche here. We took this particular niche, we demoed it, we sealed the area off to protect the home from dust. Before this beautiful brick veneer was placed on the walls, behind the walls, we have our vapor barrier, our insulation, all the electrical was roughed in, as well as the mechanical line set, the refrigeration lines, and the condensate drain line. This particular enclosure called for a split refrigeration system. So outside the wine enclosure is a remote condenser. Inside the wine enclosure is your fan coil, cold air supply, and the cold air return. This also has a remote LED controller or thermostat that one can monitor the temperature inside the wine cellar. Let's take a look at the actual design. Once we had a consultation with the customer to determine how many bottles they want to display, some of the features that they want to include in the display, we created a three-dimensional design package. This is an overhead view of the small area. It shows you it's just under 6 feet wide, 28 inches deep, and the height is just under 8 foot at 94 inches. Total bottle capacity for the enclosure, 392 bottles. So let's take a look at the elevation itself. As you can see from this side view here on the right, the bottom half is double deep, which means you can place a bottle into an opening, push it to the back of the component, and place another bottle in front of that. And we used on the top portion above the countertop level a single deep storage and display area. So this left quite a bit of tabletop area or bar top for one to set things down while they were managing the wines or opening the bottles of wines here. So we'll start from the bottom. All the wine racks rest on an 1.5-inch toe kick, which elevates the components off the floor, of course, and we'll use the beautiful base trim as well as a crown molding at the top. To the far left and to the far right, we've got bin storage or bulk storage for case lots. Bordered or flanked to either side of this beautiful diamond bin, we've got a single vertical column of single bottle storage. Above that, more single bottle storage with a high reveal display row. And to the far left and to the far right, the folks wanted a cabinet for some liquors, glasses, even small drawers for accoutrements such as corkscrews and napkins. This area just above the arch area is a lattice grill box with an operable grill cover. This is what's concealing the mechanical appearance of the fan coil that we looked at a few moments ago. With that said, we'll look at some of these different features here that we spoke of. These are the small cabinets to the left and to the right. The drawer here, the high reveal display row. This is the square bins on the left and the single bottle or single vertical column I spoke of, as well as the diamond bins, and a beautiful front view of the area. This wine cellar entire front was a seamless glass entry door, which turned out quite beautiful. Thank you for visiting Coastal Custom Wine Cellars. If I can be of any assistance, please reach out to us at winecellarsbycoastal.com.